C1 sequences example 5. In this example, we've been given a sequence of terms which is defined by this recurrence relation, and we've been given that U1 is 2 and U2 is 5. For part A, we need to find the expressions for U3 and U4 in terms of M. So if we look at this recurrence relation, UN plus 2 is the term that we want to find. UN plus 1 is the term that comes before it, and UN is two terms before it. So in order to find an expression for U3 is the term that we want. We've got to do M multiplied by the term before it. So we do M multiplied by the term before U3, which is U2, and then we're going to add on two terms before the one we want. So the one we want is U3, so two terms before that will be U1. Now we know what U2 is, and we know what U1 is, so we can put them in. So we know that U2 is equal to 5, so M times 5, we're going to get 5M. And we know that U1 is 2, so we're going to add on 2. And then to work out what U4 is, we look at the recurrence relation again. So U4 is the one that we want. We've got to do M multiplied by the term before it. So the term for U4 is U3. And then we add on two terms before the one we want. So two terms before U4 is U2. Now we know what U3 is in terms of M, which we've just worked out. So we've got M multiplied by U3, which is 5M plus 2. And then I'm adding on U2, and we know that U2 is equal to 5. So it's plus 5. So now I can simplify that. I've got 5M multiplied by M to give me 5M squared. I've got 2 multiplied by M to give me 2M. And then I've got plus 5. For part B, it tells us that U4 is equal to 21. And to use this to find the possible values of M. So U4, which we've been given here, so I've got 5M squared plus 2M plus 5. And I've been told that it is equal to 21. And I need to find the possible values of M. So if I look at this, it's a quadratic. So in order to solve it, I need to factorize it first. But before I can do that, I need to get everything onto one side. So I've got 5M squared plus 2M. I've got to take this 21 to the other side. So I've got plus 5 minus 21, which is minus 16. And this is all equal to 0. And now I can factorize this. So this factorizes to 5M minus 8 and M plus 2. So either this bracket is 0 or this bracket is 0. If this bracket is 0, we've got 5M minus 8 is equal to 0. So M is equal to 8 over 5. Or if this bracket is equal to 0, we've got M is equal to minus 2.